Okay, so we've got the motherboard out, and the first thing we're going to do is one of the simpler things, and that is installing the SSD. So we're going to install, we've got places for 3 of them, and I'm going to use these 2 slots because of the size of the drives that we have. So I'm going to put the one that's going to have Windows on it in this slot here, and that's the 1 terabyte drive. So I'm just going to use these screws, unscrew this, I'm going to unscrew this, I'm going to remove this cover here. So I'm going to take this one stand up and I'm going to move it over here. And then I'm going to plug in my drive. It's the Sabrent 1 terabyte that I'm going to have Windows on. So we're going to put this in at an angle. It's going to go in here, and I'm going to hold it up like this, and it's going to plug in very easily. Now we're going to push it down on top of the standoff, hold it here. I'm going to line up this screw on both ends. There's a screw and there's a screw hole on that end, and we're going to screw this down over the drive. Okay, so we're going to do the exact same thing here with the second drive, installing it, and remove these screws. Grab this and pull it off. This one acted a little bit differently, and this heatsink, or I'm sorry, this standoff stayed behind the other one. It was attached to here, but I'll just remove it. This is the one that we're not going to use. Okay, so we're going to remove the tape on this. Grab our drive. This is the 2 terabyte Sabrent. Make sure you got the right side going in. You got the pins here with a notch and then some more pins. This side has this kind of a notch for the screw. So we put it in at an angle, just like we did with the other one. Okay. And we're going to push down. We're going to line up the screw here. Line up the little screw hole there. And screw it down. Got a magnetized head on my screwdriver here, so that helps with these little screws. Go back and tighten this up. Now we've got both of our solid state drives installed.